Ang problem, hindi trained ang nurses sa Pilipinas on PhilHealth concepts. So kaya sa masterclass ko, hindi pwedeng hindi trained yung nurses because the nurses gets to see yung trabaho ni Doc, tama ba or mali. So sa floor pa lang, malinis na. Kasi sa floor pa lang, or sa OR pa lang, sa DR pa lang, pwede na yan sabihin, Doc, pakipirma naman yung OR tech mo. Doc, pakigandahan naman yung writing mo. Kasi hindi ho yan maintindihan. Doc naman, pirma naman dito. Doc, yung PF mo. Doc, pakisulat ng maayos yung course in the ward. Okay? Doc, yung diagnosis mo, hindi ba kulang? Okay? Kasi parang hindi nyo nasulat ho yung congestive heart failure. So, the nurse can easily reinforce. The word is reinforce or influence. They will not dictate the doctors. Okay? But if they can, why not? Coconut. Ang point ko ho, kung gusto nyo kumita, yung nurses ho is part of the gatekeeping for as long as they're properly trained. Okay? Kasi makikita na kagad nila. So here's the logic. Patient care, the clinical events, the doctor is there, and of course the nurses are always there. OPD, OR, DR, di ba? Wherever it is, nandyan yun ang nurses. And the nursing documentation is critical. The nursing documentation, the vital signs, okay, the notes, the monitoring tools, these are the similar things na sinusulat ni Doc. So if there is consistency, if there is aligned, okay, it's going to be a clean claim. And the chances of it being approved is high.